day, flying the drone finally.
Yeah.
We've been wanting to do it all week and haven't had a chance.
We'll make the time today.
Yeah, we're going to go downtown and go fly and
Got to get out of the airport restriction area.
yeah, walk the beach and stuff.
I do always have a great time at the beach, but I can't say that I dread going home either. There's something about the comfort of home that,
I know.
of course, when we get back here and deal with the dogs and all that stuff.
I know, I miss my
Kind of wish I was
babies.
on vacation again, but nah,
No,
I'm playing.
not me. I miss my babies. Pretty view of the ocean and the sun. They have the flags half-mast because of September 11th.
Oh, yeah.
Last beach day, bringing all our stuff down. We're gonna get a spot. See in the distance over the ocean where it's raining. Hopefully it'll just stay out to sea. Right here's pretty. way out there. You can tell they're rain clouds. He's gonna go out on his buggy board. Just found a tooth. Last day, y'all, and it's raining. We're starting to get rained out, we think. We might be back out, we don't know. Yep. Here's the ice cream man.
I hear it now.
I don't know, let's see if it's big.
Yeah, looks just like might be.
Yeah. Well, we came back up, and now it's looking a little bit better. It's not pouring. Oh, yeah. I think we may finish our lunchtime.
Beach break.
Beach break, yeah, and head back out there here soon. Yeah, it does look bad, but we're out here, not getting a tan, but enjoying the ocean and the waves. It's all good.
Oh yeah.
Well, we're done beaching, and we're going to go to some stores. I just cleared my throat.
I know, I'm just playing with you.
But we had a good trip. I know this vlog's going to be different from our other ones because usually we go to different places, but you know, COVID happened and we're surprised we even made this trip, to be honest with you. And it was going to be really strictly just beaching, and that's what we did. So
it was a great time.
It was.
Fishing was great. I mean, yeah, I didn't get no big massive play keepers or whatever, but hey, as long as I'm catching fish, anyway. I'm enjoying myself. So
yeah, we got some sun. I don't know if you can
I burned
see
up today. I didn't think it was gonna work out like that, like it
Jeremy
did.
got roasted.
It did.
I'm pretty burned on my chest. It's about the worst place.
Usually I get like this at the very beginning of the trip, and then I just kind of keep lathering up with aloe and block, and it actually turns pretty tan. But yeah, it's burnt now.
Later. But we're going to go downtown and go to some stores and shop a little bit. And then we're going to come back and relax and go home to Myrtle's here with our baby.
Sounds like a plan.
Surfing waves into the night on the beaches of Hawaii. Drinks in Ibiza, anywhere you wanna go, baby, you just let me know. Sunny Indonesia, don't say no. Sipping on tequila, anything you wanna see, be there in a heartbeat. Just say the words and we can go. We've got just one life, baby. So live it up, take it one day at a time. Keep it shining like the stars we see above. I wanted to be here by my side, not dropping the love.
Here's Jeremy's feast tonight. Got some lobster tail and some shrimp, right?
Oh yeah.
So gross.
Oh, it's amazing.
Smells like fishy. Not only does Jeremy have lobster tail and shrimp, he has sushi.
Oh yeah.
On top of it. And then these little noodle thingies.
Yeah, it's like a 4-cheese noodle. I don't know, macaroni, I think, or something.
Looks good.
Oh yeah.
And I got my veggie hot dog with cheese and the noodle thingies too.
And I went ahead and fried a couple burgers just to
Yeah.
use them up. So
Yeah.
I don't know when those will get eaten. But
Never
right.
know, maybe on the way home.
Oh yeah. I don't know.
Well, we are packed up and ready to leave. Just want to take a quick view of the ocean one more time on the balcony.